How to fix can't create files error in Windows Installation Assistant. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Installation Assistant as administrator. The Windows Installation Assistant may require elevated privileges to create necessary files in the installation directory. Running the tool as an administrator ensures it has full access to system folders, preventing permission-related issues. If that didn't work, user settings and permissions might be restricting the Installation Assistant from creating files. A new local administrator account ensures that the process runs in a fresh environment without interference from existing configurations. Fix 3. Adjust Internet Zone settings. Some users have reported that security settings related to Internet zones may prevent the Installation Assistant from running properly. Modifying these settings can help remove unnecessary restrictions. Scroll down to Scripting and ensure active scripting is enabled. Click OK and apply changes. Restart the computer and try running the Installation Assistant again. Corrupt or incomplete installation files from a previous update attempt might interfere with the current installation. Deleting these files ensures the Installation Assistant starts with a clean slate. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.